The Grenada Development Bank has received an additional $15 million line of credit from government. The loan will be additional support towards providing property mortgages and education loans to contract workers employed in the public service. Senior project manager at GDB, Alistair Bain, says the bank is only required to pay 1% interest on the loans back to government, making the interest rate affordable to borrowers.
This line of credit provided by government is only at 1% interest. So the bank has to repay government at 1%. And as a result of that, we are able to maintain our normal 3% spread and on lend to homeowners at 4%. Of that $15 million, $10 million is available for mortgage financing at 4% interest. $4 million for education, especially tertiary and university education.
Bain says another $1 million will be available for special student loan targeting vulnerable people who do not have security. In January, government through GDB provided $10 million to be distributed in soft loans to contract workers who are experiencing problems in accessing long-term mortgages. He says 48 homes have benefited from these loans, of which 35 are females.
To date, of that $10 million that was placed with the Development Bank, $7 million have already been approved in loans to our contract workers. That is significant.
The project manager also gave an update on other loans that were approved, in which 101 micro businesses have benefited.
We also have the other lines of credit, for example, our MSME support. Since the advent of COVID, $14 million was placed with the bank. Again, these are monies placed by government in the bank to address that particular need. Of that $14 million, to date, only $300,000 remains uncommitted. $13.7 million have already been approved in loans under that particular program.
For GBN News, I am Rena Pet Thomas reporting.